Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this video is going to be a get ready with me because अभी मेरा plan है बाहर जाने का. It's 8 a.m. currently and I'm in Patna and this is my OG bedroom. So yeah, and अभी I'm going to a मंदिर with my mom एंड उनका कुछ तो ऐसा मन्नत या कुछ था कि वंस आई गेट ग्रेजुएटेड शी वांट्स टू टेक मी टू दिस मंदिर जो कि हम लोग बचपन से जाते आए हैं. इट्स महावीर मंदिर. इफ़ यू आर फ्रॉम पटना यू विल नो फॉर श्योर. सो हम लोग वहाँ जा रहे हैं एंड वहाँ का देयर इज दिस प्रसाद नैवेद्यम which is also my favorite. So I just thought to document this day and to shoot a quick get ready with me. And yeah, I'm going to be doing my makeup and everything abhi, and I have to leave in like half an hour. So this is not going to be a like in-depth thing, but I do have some products that I want to try and use. So that's what we are going to do, and yeah, let's get started. So I have just taken shower and uske alawa I've done nothing. So like I have just washed my face and I have this small little pimple right here. So first we'll be starting with prepping my skin. So I don't usually do a lot of skincare or anything. So I'm just going to be using this Bobbi Brown ka vitamin enriched face base. So this has moisturizer. This works as a moisturizer as well as a primer for your base. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be using, and it has a really good fragrance. That's what I like. Matlab, usually I don't like fragrances, I know, but like this has a really good fragrance. This smells like fresh squeezed orange juice. Yes, that's how I can best describe it. And yeah, I think it looks very moisturized. I know it. I don't know how it looks on the camera, but like I have moisturized it really well, and I think it looks very supple and like nice. And I really like the feel of it, and मेरा makeup भी काफी अच्छा बैठता है. So I'm gonna be using Too Faced with L'Oreal. What is this? Infallible Full Wear. And by the way, this is my box. This is my makeup box, and like this is a first aid kit which I'm using to store makeup यहाँ घर पे. And this. So one dot, I think. Yes. Under the eye, I'm using L'Oreal because I just want to test how it sits and if it creases or not. And for all of my face, I'm gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way. And yes, here, little bit on the nose. And yeah, done. And by the way, I don't use any brushes or any kind of sponge. I'm just gonna be blending this with my hands, and because I feel that's the best way. I don't know, it seems more skin-like and you can clean your hands and all of that. Matlab, I'm just a freak, maybe. So yes, that's what we're gonna do. I forgot that I have this. Like I have a mirror, I forgot it. So अभी तो मतलब I am at home 15-20 दिन के लिए. उसके बाद I'll go back. I have to give entrance exams for my college and everything. Oh no, I have given, but like I'm waiting for results, and let's see क्या होता है, कैसे होता है. How does this look? Yeah, I think it looks nice. I mean, not the concealer, so I tried to wipe that off of my face because I did not like it. So I think we are just wearing Too Faced Born This Way now. And yes, that's it. So see, I like this skin-like finish. So like it's glowy and I just like it this way. What is this? Now I want to use blush, and let me decide which one. I think I'll use this. It's from Bobbi Brown, and no, I'll use this. Very unsure. पता नहीं life choices कैसे ले रहे हैं, but I'm not even sure about what blush do I want to wear. But like that's fine. Maybe. I don't know. But anyways. Clown बनने की तैयारी. I don't know, for some weird reason I only like one variant of this Benetint का blush, and the other ones I don't like क्योंकि I feel like उसको लगाते ही it just gets patchy on my skin for some reason. and I just am not able to work with it उतने quickly, but इसके साथ I can work very easily, and you can see I think it looks nice. I don't know, I haven't even done much, but I like what's happening, you know what I mean. So हम लोग बस मंदिर जा रहे हैं and पूजा करके I'll be back. By the way, that's Coco पीछे and पूजा करके we'll be back. So like I'm not gonna do like bronze and all of that. It's very basic sort of a thing. इसके बाद I'll do my eyebrows because that's important. खुल गया. So this is the clear gel and that's how I like my eyebrows to be. So that's what we are gonna do. See how it shapes my eyebrows. I just love it. Like I just love this. Smudged my mascara. I'll fucking cry today. Why are things not happening the way I want them to? I smudged it. For some reason my hands are shaky. Like I don't know what. I smudged it again. Have I forgot how to do makeup? Can that be a possibility? But like I've been rotting at home since so many days. I put it on my powder. How dumb can I be? Like bro. Can you see? This was a new compact. And I'm crying. But anyways, we are done with my mascara. Itni galti ke baad, we are done. There are some days we can't help and we are just messy. I'm just messy and clumsy. I don't know. So now I'm going to use this powder जो कि तब से हम mirror की तरह use कर रहे हैं to like set थोड़ा बहुत because anyways I'm very sweaty in the face. कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं होता मेरे पे कोई setting करके but तब भी मन की शांति के लिए because it's a step. We'll do it. अभी के लिए तो it's working. See, you can see the difference. But ऐसे थोड़ी देर बाद ख़त्म हो जाता है मेरे शक्ल से. पता नहीं क्या प्रॉब्लम है यार. I've set my makeup अच्छे से with this powder. I think it looks good. Blush कम लग रहा है क्या? हाँ, I think. But I'll use one more blush end में. So this is Bobbi Brown का काजल. क्या बोलते हैं इसको नहीं पता मेरे को. Waterproof 24 hour whatever. Does it look nice? I don't know. मतलब एक फेज था मेरा when I used to put kajal like every day. Like school से वापस आते ही I remember I used to have this blue green सारे कलर का काजल 7th या 8th क्लास में and हम डेली लगाते थे. फिर हम उब गए उस चीज़ से और लगाना बंद कर दिए और अब हम बहुत दिन बाद लगा रहे हैं. ऐसे होता है. This is what happens with me. So there are some products that I get obsessed with. I start using it a lot and then I just stop. I don't know. I just get bored. So, does this happen with everyone? Or do I just randomly think that I'm very special or something? I don't know. I'm applying this lipstick from Nykaa and the shade is Your Latte. And with that, I'm using this lip liner from Charlotte Tilbury. Yeah, Pillow Talk. I think ये similar shade है तो it will go. बाकी ज़्यादा lip liner यहाँ है नहीं मेरे पास. Very thinly lined. आज मेरी किस्मत बहुत ख़राब है. So this was a new lipstick. I just opened it and look at this. My heart broke with this. I don't know. Did I do this? Was it like this before? I don't know. But anyways. It's done. I'm also planning to make a bindi. Kajal se because I don't have bindi. Because suit पे I just love bindi. I think everyone should apply bindi suit के साथ. This is a really great product. Like very precise. I love it. I think I'm almost done. Oh no. I'll put more blush. So this is Max Petal Power or Flower something. And इसमें glitter है. So yes, that's what I'm gonna be putting. And yes. So yeah, that's how my makeup looks. And wait, let me wear earrings. कुर्ता अच्छा नहीं लगता. Wait, let me find my watch. Watch. Oh, I'm wearing it. So this is how my makeup looks. And yes, this is the basic look that I've done. Let me know how you like it. एंड मंदिर जाके जो भी होने वाला है, जो भी सीन है, मतलब पूजा वूजा जो भी हम लोग, पूजा पाठ जो भी हम लोग करने वाले हैं आज, दैट ऑल्सो आई एम व्लॉगिंग एंड दैट विल बी अनदर व्लॉग. लाइक आई एम व्लॉगिंग काइंड ऑफ अ वीक in my life, something like that, I don't know. So keep watching, and yes, I'm gonna be showing you guys my full outfit check and everything. And